Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Pro Lover 2. The song is I.F.U. The artist is USHER and the choreography is Will Baker. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, watch till the end and I'll post it. And let's go.
Undecided, you should let me penetrate your everything. You've got me beyond excited. We can step into my room, my throne. Don't need a wedding ring. Sex was made for strangers. Making love is for the ones who plan to stay together. How about we embrace the danger? I'm pretty sure when it's all said and done, we gon' do a whole lot of we gon' do a whole lot. I ain't gotta be your man, you ain't gotta be my girl. Let's let go of everything they taught you in this world. We gon' do a whole lot. Yeah. I'm freaking you. Yeah. I'm freaking you. Listen, I'm not into fantasizing. I'd much rather put my hands on everything. I just hope that I'm invited. Yeah. Up into your room, you're grown, ain't got a wedding ring. Sex was made for strangers. Making love is for the ones who plan to stay together. How about we embrace the danger? Girl, I'm pretty sure that when it's all said and done, we gon' do a whole lot. We gon' do a whole lot. I ain't gotta be your man, you ain't gotta be my girl. Let's let go of everything they taught you in this world. We gon' do a whole lot. Hey, can't deny what's here between us. Right now, I can hear your heart beating. All night would be so dangerous. Listen, we gon' do a whole lot. You ain't gotta take it from me. Let's do a whole lot. You know you want to. Yeah, I ain't gotta be your man. You ain't gotta be my girl. Now let's let go of everything they taught you in this world. We gon' do a whole lot. Yeah. I'm freaking no expectations on a first name basis. Let's get together and exchange faces. Yeah.
And there you go, Pro Lover 2. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.